Hello, this is the tutorial for the KA you are going to use. First of all, you have to switch on this switch in order to make the machine operated. Well, you can put the fabric in this way, and it on the top here, and it go down this rolling. Then first you push, and then you have the fabric closed. You make the fabric tight, and pushing again, the machine starts. When the machine has finished the work, he take off the clamp, and you can take the parts. In order to adjust or change the distance between the two sewing, you have to roll this part in a way or in another. This part is right to tighten the fabric while you have just loaded in. With this knob you can adjust how deep you want the stitch, if you want more or less, with this knob.
See, this way.
In fact, if I rotate like here, you can see that even that number can change, and this is the indication of the depth of the sewing. Right here you have.
This is the broken the thread.
Cos'è?
Una rottura fila.
Ah, okay. This is the switch that make operated the stop of the machine with the thread breaking, and you have this lamp that will turn on if the thread broke. See. When the thread broke, this lever come on, the lamp turn on, and the machine is stopped. Is enough to push again, or you can make the emergency stop up there. With the start, you restore. An important thing per il collegamento a rete: quando lo collegano a rete si accende la macchina deve andare da questa parte. When you make the plug for the AC supply, to be sure that the connection is correct, you have to turn. Pay attention.
This is not correct.
This is incorrect. The correct is that you turn on, start, and the loading go to the right. This is the correct. Okay.
Deve tornare tutto in avanti.
Okay. In the position to begin to sew it, of course. These are
the rotation for
the two switches. One is over this motor, and this one protects that the other motor.
This is the. Now is broken.
Okay.
And this is motor.
Okay. Broken the thread and the machine stopped. Of course, this happens when we are doing some experiment to show you everything. Well, for that about this couple, we have exactly the same machine as the other. We have the stop and start for emergency. This is the main switch to turn on or off. This is the motor, the command, the main motor, and this is the release of this part. So well, for that about the distance between the lines, you have to make the regulation with this knob. This knob and this knob will adjust the fabric between these two rolls and to make perfect the sewing. We have the start and stop button. This lamp and this switch can turn on off the breaking thread warning. This is the depth of the stitch that can be regulated with this knob. If I move, you see. And in this we have the pedal that can open and close the second roll to load on the fabric. Now we make the first sewing. Okay. 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 As I told you, the distance. Okay. The distance between the line can be regulated with this knob. Okay. Perfect. Okay, perfect. Adjusting this photo cell, you can make the regulation between the edge of the fabric and the beginning of the sewing, and this is the distance. And adjusting this photo cell, you can adjust the end, the distance between the sewing and the edge of the fabric, and this is the distance. This is the lamp like we told you, and I think that everything is ok. Ci vogliamo farle andare tutte e due. Perfetto.
Allora, televisore di questa distanza le riguarda questa distanza.
Ah, okay. Well, the distance between the edge of the fabric and the beginning of the sewing is the same like here, like from this photo cell to the needle.
E questa distanza
This distance between the end
data da questa fotocella.
is adjusted by this photo cell. So, this is for the beginning and this is for the stop, the end.
Ok.